We got someone new coming to the daycare. Look at this place. Is that? Why does this person look so familiar? We've been dating our whole lives. Musina, linguina, spaghettina. I'm not dating, and I'm not interested. Ladies, you do not have to fight over me, okay? First of all, I'm not interested, and I don't even know who the heck you are. Like, where'd you even come from? Welcome to another WWE tournament. On the left side, we have Musina, the Undertaker, weighing at 6,000 pounds of muscle. Now, on the right side, we have the one and only the singer, aka Skylar. Whoa, they're transforming. Look. Oh man, that's it, bro. They're going in. Musina out of nowhere. RKO takedown. Here we go. In the battle. Oh snap. Awesome. And the winner is Musina. Welcome to the Daycare! Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new Daycare video. Yo, it's the most lit, the craziest series ever on your YouTube for Minecraft and stuff. Yeah, anyway, so where's my boy Jeff the Moose, man? What is he up to? But yo, yesterday, guys, by the way, we had a brand new student come to the daycare, and it was crazy, man. Her name was Skylar, and I think she likes me. I do know, bro. But Musina's super jealous and stuff. I don't even know what's going on, broskis. But anyways, let's go to the daycare and let's have some fun. Hey! Bow down! To me! Now! What is going on here? Hey! Guys! Woo! Wow, Jeff, how are you so much taller? Say, I never won, Moose. Why are you so tall? I don't know what is going on here. Hey, yo, you guys good? Hi, Skylar. How you doing? I can buy you. Wow, she just went there, dude. She just, she's a famous singer. You gotta be careful, man. Oh, Jeff, you're so small, savage. And he's gone. Okay, well that just happened. Hi, Skylar. How's your day going? How you doing? How you been? Hi. You like this girl? Wow. Wait, what? Jeff, can you stop with this, man? What are we, back in 4th grade or something? Or we're back in daycare? I'm good. Oh, awesome. Well, so did you and Musina, like, figure out your differences? Like, are you guys friends now? Like, is you and Musina friends or something? Because you guys had, listen, you guys had some crazy, like, battle yesterday. And people were going crazy over you, too. I was like, what is going on? I don't even know, man. Yeah, I don't know if that's an answer, but okay, let's go. So anyways, Jeff, you just call her Lucy? I called her Musina. I called her wait, did I call her Lucy? I don't know. I fixed her. What does that mean, like you got rid of her? Or what? Musina? I'm sorry. Listen, shh. Where is she? What did you do to her? Oh, okay. All right. You know what? I'm not gonna question you. You two do your own thing. I don't know. Listen, I mean, Jeff froze his girlfriend. I don't know what even happened. That makes, I mean, his wife or something. For now, nothing. For now. Okay. That was like a really evil laugh. Okay. Listen, we don't talk about that beast. Listen, Jafina is pretty mad, and she's still trying to find you right now, bro. Yo, Jafina's a savage. She's crazy, man. Now it is time. Ow, Jeff, too. What's up, bro? Jeff, get down. Hello. Nice. Yeah. Awesome. So, Jeff, I could buy you a jet. Wait, that'd be kind of cool, bro. Yo, we should have a jet for a daycare episode, and then I'll fly it. So Skylar is new to the daycare. Jet date. Wait, what'd you say? You say jet date? Is that, what, huh? Okay, all right. A jet date. Okay, whatever. We're gonna, hold on, guys. I got a phone call. Hello? Yeah, Yeah, who is this? Oh, it's the MooseRoleplays guys. Wait, no. Oh, it's YouTube. Oh, okay. What's up, buddy? Yeah, how you doing, man? Oh, is a new update on YouTube? Oh, so everyone. Oh, snap. Okay, so everyone watching this video. Okay, so everyone watching this video has to subscribe. It's not the bell, right? So that's the only way they'll see my videos. And then, wait, what? So hold on. Wait, if the subscribers miss a video, that means that they don't see my videos again unless they go back to the channel. Okay. All right. Well, apparently there's been a new YouTube update, guys. So everyone watching this video. If you guys have subscribed and you slap the bell, pretty much if you miss a video, apparently my videos won't appear in your notifications and stuff. So fun fact. So I guess come back to the channel tomorrow to never miss a video. Okay, sorry about that. So, listen, guys, I'm sorry about the interruption. It's just, get back here. I'm sorry. Listen, man, business calls, bro. Business calls. Young entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying? young entrepreneur. No more updates. Okay, fine. Okay, so Jeff, what are we even talking about, man? What are we playing, bro? Are we playing the monkey game where never have I ever is the game? Wait a minute. Never have I ever. I love that game. So how do you play this game? I got one. Here, I'll go first. Never have I ever drank moose milk while talking. Wait, did I win the game? Is that how you win? Oh, what's that? Jeff, why are you throwing me unlimited moose milk? What is this? No! Wait, it's not how you win? What? Why not, man? What? Come on, bro. No, this is how it works. I don't think you know how to play the game. I don't know how to play the game. We play the game. Okay, what? And when someone does it, they drink moose milk. Oh, I got you. Okay, so pretty much, come over here, guys. Come over here. Why are we over there? All right, don't be a big noob. I'm not a big noob. I'm just a noob in training. Yeah, as I was saying, so pretty much the way this game works, okay? Let's say someone says something, so like, never have I ever not drank moose milk. And then if you guys have drank moose milk, you guys gotta, wait. If you drink moose milk, then you gotta drink moose milk. And that's a bad example. Never have I ever flown a jet before. If you flown a jet before, then you gotta drink the moose milk. Yeah. Oh, that's right. There you go. Now you guys get it. Oh, wait, Jeff, you flew a jet before? What? Since when? Oh, in Moose Mods. I am pilot. Jeff, I feel like you're everything you want to be. Or anything you want to be. Sorry. All right, so anyways, Skylar, you're up next. Go ahead. See something. Anything possible. Go ahead. What you got? Never have I ever. Okay. All right. Not been rich. So, what do we... Wow. Okay. She's a savage. Yep. Hashtag savage Skylar. Blah. Okay, so, I guess you win. I don't know. Anyways, so, never have ye drink. Wait. Whoa, hold on. If I was rich, then I would drink. That's fake moose milk. What is that? What is this, man? Fair play. Exactly. All right, Jeff, you were rich since when? What are you talking about, man? You can't even fix the daycare, nor the Moose Mods laboratory anymore. Bro, we got problems, man. We got budget cuts. I stole Brick Boss's bank account. You told me that he had nothing left. Is it true, or did you lie? Yeah. Oh, I know him. Wait, how do you know Brick Boss? Brick Boss is a famous celebrity. He does like the rap music and stuff. I have one of his accounts. Oh, my brother. Let me get this straight. Your brother is Brick Boss? The big dude. The crazy rich guy that owns a yacht. Okay, I think I'm going to be sick. I think I'm going to... So, Brick Boss's sister likes me? Oh, no. Now every time I see you, I'm going to see Brick Boss's face. I'm scared. Whoa! Jeff, you think this is funny? Huh? You think it's funny? You don't even understand anything about me. Low-key. Okay, whatever. So anyways, next, never have I ever. Never have. My name's Skylar Boss. Oh, God. Okay. Anyway, so here we go. Obviously, yeah, that kind of makes sense. Anyway, so as I was saying, cringe alert. Major cringe alert. So, never have I ever eaten a block before. Jeff, you ate a block? Wait, what? What are you guys eating a block before? Like a Minecraft block, like a dirt block? I was hungry. There's no protein in that, man. What are you talking about? Say, You two are crazy. You two are definitely crazy. I ate a bedrock block after melting it. You guys are crazy. There's a dirt that has some. There's no protein in dirt. What happened? Huh? Okay. Yeah, there is. Okay, whatever. Jeff, your turn. Go ahead, buddy. What do you got for me, man? What you got for me? Come on, Jeff. What do you got? What do you got? Yeah. Woo! Yo, look at my skills. Look at my skills. Oh. Never have I ever had my girlfriend try to kill me. Yeah, Musina's pretty crazy, and Jeffina's pretty crazy too. Yeah, okay, so, your turn. What you got? What you got, Skylar? Never have I ever. Jeff, what are you doing? Never have I ever what? Dun, dun, dun. What? You never. I need music. What? What do you mean? What? That first. All right, there we go. Well, hold on, I got you. Let me turn my music up. There we go. What do we got? Oh, drum roll. I got you. Oh, play! Eating a crab. Nice. Wait, you've never eaten a crab before, Jeff? What? I thought you loved seafood. You love sushi and stuff. You sicko! Bro, are you kidding me? I mean, I respect that if you haven't. I mean, I'm not gonna hate, bro. Listen, man, this is 2018, bro. Heck no! Oh, okay. All right, whatever, man. It's cool with me. Okay, so never have I ever. Never have I ever not own a gold chromatic array. What are you talking about? What? Oh, I win. Got him. Yeah. I own 3. Well, no, it's never have I ever not owned one. And I know for a fact you don't own one, and you don't own one either, because only I own one. I stole yours. Wait, what? Is that why it's me? What? I've been trying to find it for like 3 months now. Where'd it go? Then I stole his. Oh, come on. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. There's someone calling me. Hello? Hey, what's going on? Oh, it's YouTube again. Oh, okay. Awesome. I got you. All right. Chill. Okay, bye. That was YouTube saying subscribe to the channel. Hey, then I sold it for $1. No, my car. Who'd you sell it to? Who did you sell it to? That was my baby. My car. Ew. Brick Boss. Oh, come on. A Brick Boss has that? He probably ate it. He definitely ate it. Bro loves it. When I see that guy, I'm gonna have a talk with him. All right. What's this? What are you giving me? This fake moose book? Oh, awesome. Psst, Moose secret. Why are you a spider? Okay, what's up, bro? What's up? What's going on? Hi. He's telling me a secret they can't hear about. Bye. What's wrong? What is it? Jeff. I think that dude is lying about Thick Boss being its sibling. That's a girl. Huh? Who are you talking about? You heard me? Hi. Yeah, you're not. No. Okay. You heard me? Brick Boss don't have no siblings. What? And Brick Boss is like 45. Dude, Brick Boss is like 15 or 20. I actually don't know how old he is. He's kind of weird. He's a weird dude. LOL! Yeah. Okay. LOL jokes. Okay, so hold on. Let's talk about things. Never have I ever not. Wait. Never have I ever not had a sibling. Nice. Yeah. Wait. Did you have a sibling? Did you have a sibling, Jeff? What? Wait a minute. Wait, huh? Dude, I said never have I ever not had a sibling, meaning that I had a sibling. Oh, no. Okay, so whose sibling is yours, Skylar? I am an only child. Brick Boss. But is he really, though? Lies! You're lying to us! Yes, no way! Alright, then how old is Brick Boss? Tell me. Brick Boss ain't got no brothers. That's 45. How is Brick Boss 45? He's like 15 or 20 or 10. I don't know. It makes no sense to me. Dude doesn't know what he is. Reasons. Whatever. Okay, so Jeff, it's your turn, buddy. It's your turn for the Never Have I Ever. Come down here, buddy. What you got for us? And you're a different color spider. Amazing magic trick from Jeff the Moose. Yeah. Okay, Jeff, what do you got for us, buddy? Yeah! I think she hates spiders. Oh, and there goes the daycare. We're on a good roll. And it's gone. Oh, she ate the TNT. Impressive. Awesome. So, never, ever not been a professional basketball player. Wow. He went there. Wait. Oh, yeah, he went there. This guy. This dude. Jeff, what team did you play for? Huh? I don't do that, though. It's okay. I don't do it either. I don't even know how to play basketball. I'm LeBron, Kobe, Michael Jordan. Get out. There's a door right here. Come on, bro. Don't you know your sports? Dude, basketball is a sport where they kick the ball into the net. Duh! Magic Johnson on Fridays, too. I heard of him. Get out of here, Jeff. Real basketball is kicking the ball into the net. I'm kidding. Kick this. Oh, snap. Ah, Jeff, I was kidding. It was a break. And it's gone. Okay, and it's gone. Up. Well, we're not a roll anymore. Okay, you know what, guys? I think we had enough of this. Let's go. Okay, so how about this? Skylar, it's your turn now. You give me the last one. Don't blow up my daycare. Yeah, don't blow up your daycare. You have to pay for it. Plus interest. So you pay for the next damages that I'll probably cause. Yeah. That was pretty smart, right, Jeff? Just sign here. Sign this completely unreasonable contract. And it's gone. Okay. Never mind, Jeff. Never mind. Never have I ever. Private contract. All right. Never have I ever what? But. Eating a moose. Nice. I've never eaten a moose before. Wait. Hold on. I'm confused. Does it mean that you've eaten a moose or you haven't eaten a moose? I'm so confused. What is that? She's walking away very slowly. And it's like the nope. Leave and never come back. You're not welcome here anymore, Skylar. If you've eaten a moose, you're not welcome. I'll be back. Nope. With some moose on a plate. Yeah. Nope. Hold on, I'm still going. Let me just. Nope. Ow! Wow, that was amazing. I'll still date you though. Nope, I am not interested. Nope. Okay, well, anyways, everyone watching this video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. And stay awesome, peeps. Bye. Come back tomorrow for a brand new day of daycare on the MooseRoleplays YouTube channel. Whoa. Bye.